Herbal collection, Guinean weed root, guava leaf, that's a yellow heart guava, dandelion with the seed that make dandelion coffee, lime leaf, key lime leaf, worm bush, susumba, purple vervain, cashew leaf, the bark of cashew, soursop leaf, search me out, strongback, bamboo leaf, ram goat national, saucy perla, Cersei, native ginger with the root, Medina, lemongrass, otherwise called fever grass, duck flower, the master of detox, jack in the bush, red trumpet leaf, nettle, wild basil, never die, and king of the forest. And last but not least, nata or anata with the seeds, blood whisk and macati whisk, blood whisk and macati whisk, cheney root chip, leaf of life, leaf of life,